Hi, welcome to my art channel. Thank you for joining me today. So I'm going for blues today, my favourite blues. This one is the limited release of pigment from Fluid Art Co for the Hurricane Relief Milton, and this is called Benevolence. So get it at fluid-art.co while you can. There's only 5,000 jars. Once they've gone, they've gone. And $5 from each jar will be going to the Hurricane Relief. So it's a beautiful colour. And then we've got Folk Shift, Colour Flash, Aqua Flash. Did I say Folk Shift? Folk Art. I don't know what I said, I can't remember now. And this is another TLP, this is Unicorn. It's a dual shift, go from blue to violet. Should just catch it there on the black. And Triart Cobalt Teal. And I've got 2 boom gels. Pearlescent Mint and Mana Crab Blue. This one is TLP Brulee, and I think I'm going to use gold cell activator. I might use gold and white cell activators. And I'm working on a 12 by 16, but I'm also going to be using a 12-inch round, so I'm not sure which one you'll see first. So yeah, let's get messy. I decided to put a faux pillow down of TLP Brulee, so that's what you can see. It looks slightly off-white from this angle, but it's interference copper. Brulee is a beautiful piggy from TLP, and I used a big palette knife to swipe it so that it would spread out over my pillow. So it's my pillow, TLP Brulee, and then I'm putting my colours on top of that. Also, I'm just going to say thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you. My videos will be a little scarce now. This is one that I did a few weeks ago. I've broken my arm, fractured my arm, so I can't paint at the moment, so just thought I'd update you all. So thank you. Appreciate you all. Take care. Stay safe. Don't get falling over like me. Bye.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care in the world. I was one rich little girl, daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot. No mistake ever kept me late. We spent summers catching fireflies and winters on our skates. One big smile across my face. We used to dance our way to church on Sundays. Mama set the pace. Daydreamer, kidnap me, take me back, all the way back to them days, running around in a gown and a crown, barefoot.